Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District, Pooja Elangbam, chaired district-level Security Coordination Committee meeting today at the Conference Hall of Mini Secretariat Complex, focusing on ensuring peaceful cultivation and initiating phased resettlement of internally displaced persons (IDPs). Speaking at the meeting, DC Pooja Elangbam emphasized the importance of agriculture to the district's economy, noting that the Bishnupur, being predominantly agrarian, must prioritize uninterrupted farming activities even in sensitive fringe areas. She said that the flying squads comprising stakeholders have been constituted to support peaceful agricultural operations and response to any emerging security concerns. She urged all officials present to act with urgency and in coordination in case of any untoward incidents, while also stressing the need for regular visits to fringe and vulnerable areas to engage with farmers directly, address their grievances on the ground and inform the district administration for timely intervention. Turning to the issue of displaced residents, the DC informed that resettlement of IDPs will take place in 3 phases. The initial phase will cover areas where law and order have imposed considerably. She directed the security forces to identify potential zones for resettlement and also highlight areas requiring heightened security. During the interaction session, the DC consulted with various officials, including Additional Superintendent of Police, who provided inputs on viable resettlement locations. She expressed her appreciation for the collective efforts made so far in maintaining law and order and expressed hope that more displaced persons will be rehabilitated in the coming months, thereby paving the way for peace and normalcy across the district. The meeting was also attended by ADM Bishnupur, D. Opendro, members of the DLLCC and other concerned officials from various departments.